All right, let's start looking into linking our dynamic pages. Now, we already know how to link non-dynamic / known pages, right? Well, linking dynamic pages are not very different than linking non-dynamic pages. So let's take a look at an example. In our case, if we just copy this thing and paste it again to create a new link. Here we can say something like go to page dynamic, right? And in this case, what we want to do is we want to link to a dynamic page. So ideally what we would like to do is /coffee store that's a dynamic route, and say something like dynamic, right? And this is going to essentially route to a dynamic route because this value can be anything. We can write 1, we can write 2 right here. This value keeps changing. And that's why I mentioned that linking to dynamic routes are not very different than known routes. Although the difference is that we can only link to one dynamic route. So this is strictly tied to one specific route itself. So if I say /dynamic and hit save, go back to the browser. And let's change the URL here. Say /coffee store /dynamic. Or instead, let's go to 1 because we are linking from some other route to dynamic. So if we say /1, and now it says go to page dynamic. So clicking on that redirected us to coffee store /dynamic. And this page is in fact dynamic page itself. All right, that's it on dynamic pages.